Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send video messages to your friends or groups on Snack Video. So first you can install the Snack Video on your phone. You can download it from Play Store or App Store, and you can log in or sign in first. You can continue with Google or Facebook or continue with your WhatsApp number. So even if you have Line, you can use your Line to use this Snack Video, sign in into this Snack Video. So let's get back to the topic. After you sign in, you can tap on discover or home. So here, this is how you can send this video. But tap on share, and you can share to your WhatsApp group or anything that you have, or Instagram or Facebook or Twitter, just one click. So this is how you can share the video from Snack Video apps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click next button below. See you in the next video.